Welcome to Building Update 3. Let's take a look around and see what's been happening on the construction site in the last month. If we go over here, you can see where FE Horst has completed laying the block. We're standing currently in the foyer area where you will be entering into the new farm market. As we step towards the back of the store building, we'll enter into the warehouse and cooler area where produce will be stored. FE Horst has installed the block foundation and will continue with that after more steel frame is installed. Since the last update, FE Horst has finished with the block foundation, as well as Green Coast has finished backfilling all of the poured and block footers. Enjoy these clips from the past month's construction. Right now, Green Coast is also installing the spouting drainage areas for the roof runoff. In the next weeks, J.M. Byler will begin to construct the steel frames for the entire market building. To see the first of the steel structure go up, visit us Monday, October 13. Also, there will be a fall festival that day, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Follow along to receive more building updates.